Hi you guys, and welcome to my new channel, Kiki's Kitchen, starring yours, Keisha Dreams. And today I'm going to show you how to make my bacon cheeseburger tater tots. And this is everything you'll need. Let's get started. First, you're going to dice up a half a cup of onions, a half a cup of green bell peppers. Now you're going to preheat your stove and your oven to 400 degrees. Next, you're going to patty out your meat and add the seasonings. 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper, and 1 pinch of diced garlic. Last, add the onions and bell peppers and mix it all up. Patty your meat out really thin into a pan. Put your bacon out really thin on a cooking sheet and put them both in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until no pink is shown. Now it's time to fry your tater tots. First, you're going to preheat your skillet with a half a cup of oil. And then once hot, you're going to slowly, one by one, add your tater tots. When brown and crunchy, you take them out and drain them on a paper towel. Once the meat is done, drain the excess grease off of your ground beef. Chop up your ground beef in little tiny chunks. Now for the cheese. Add the Tostitos, about half a jar. Then you're going to add a pinch of whatever kind of cheese you want. Triple pepper jack and some, there you go, and some Kobe jack. And then you're going to heat it up for about a minute. Voila! Add the sour cream, mix it together, and then put everything together for the big finale. Here comes the finale, baby. Add the cheese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spread that on in there. About half of it, not the whole jar, just half of it. Gotta save some cheese for the best part. Now, add the tater tots. Spread them out. Nice even coat, even blanket of crispity goodness. And for the big finale, baby. Oh yeah, freeze frame, remind me. Yeah, man. The cheese has arrived. But wait, there's more. Oh, more cheese. Cheese for the cheese lovers and the cheese gods. Gotta get all that cheese. Mix it up. And for the finale, bacon bits. So there you have it, my bacon cheeseburger tater tots recipe. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kiki's Kitchen. Thank you and goodbye.